Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and futuristic vehicles coming in 2026, the Kia Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Kia is stepping boldly into the world of luxury motorhomes, and what they've created is nothing short of revolutionary. Starting at the front, the 2026 Kia Motorhome features a jaw-dropping futuristic design language. The aerodynamic shape is accentuated by bold LED lighting that stretches across the grille-less front fascia. Inspired by Kia's EV9 concept, the sleek digital lighting signature combined with a panoramic windshield gives the van a spaceship-like vibe. Smooth, flowing body lines minimize drag while giving the vehicle a high-tech appearance. The sharp LED matrix headlights are smart adaptive, making nighttime driving not only safe but also stylish. Moving to the rear, the design continues to impress. The back features an ultra-modern tailgate with clean, minimalist styling. Vertical LED tail lamps integrated into the C-pillars act as visual exclamation points, creating a premium tech-forward look. Kia's reimagined logo sits proudly above a power lift gate, flanked by sculpted bumpers and blacked-out glass. It's clean, confident, and clearly designed with elegance in mind, but also function, allowing for easy loading and access to the living area. Step inside and you're greeted by a cockpit that rivals luxury EVs. The driver's area is equipped with dual panoramic digital displays, a wraparound dashboard, and ambient lighting that adapts to your mood. Kia's advanced driver assistance features and infotainment are seamlessly integrated into the touchscreen panels. Now let's talk about the living space. And wow, it's stunning. Designed with minimalism and comfort in mind, the lounge area features a configurable seating layout with plush modular sofas, a central folding table, and massive panoramic windows. There's built-in smart lighting, hidden storage, and an entertainment hub that supports streaming, smart devices, and climate controls, all via voice or app. At the rear, the bedroom area offers a cozy, private sleeping zone with a convertible queen-sized bed. Premium bedding materials and ergonomic cushions ensure restful sleep. Ambient lighting, integrated USB ports, and privacy blinds transform the area into a serene retreat. On the passenger side, the motorhome houses a compact yet fully functional kitchen set. It includes an induction cooktop, a retractable sink, mini fridge, and plenty of cabinets in a modern wood grain finish. Underneath this stylish shell lies a powerful electric platform, likely based on Kia's E-GMP architecture. While official numbers aren't confirmed, early indicators suggest a dual-motor AWD setup over 300 horsepower and a projected range of 350 to 400 miles per charge. Fast charging capability will also be supported, recharging up to 80% in under 30 minutes. Now, what will it cost? While Kia hasn't officially dropped numbers yet, industry insiders estimate the 2026 Kia Motorhome will start at $88,000 and could go up to $120,000 for a fully loaded variant with off-grid upgrades, solar panels, and premium finishes. As for the release date, Kia is expected to unveil the production version in late 2025, with global deliveries beginning in early to mid-2026. Pre-orders might open by the end of this year, and demand is expected to be high, especially in North America, Europe, and Southeast Asia.